Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add music in profile in your Avakin Life application. Adding music to your Avakin Life profile can make your avatar's profile more lively and show off your favorite tunes. First of all, launch open Avakin Life application on your device and log in. From the home page, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner, and from your profile section, tap on Edit at the bottom. Now, when it shows you your Edit profile section, scroll down and tap on My Music. Choose the music you want to add, and then, once you are done, you can click on Save and Exit at the bottom left. Now you have successfully added your music in your profile in Avakin Life. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.